In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear engine mount on your Honda Accord. Using a jack with a piece of wood, we're going to push up on the oil pan. Using a 17mm socket on an extra long extension, we're going to take out the middle bolt for the rear engine mount. Remove the bolt. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to remove the bolts around the base of the motor mount. Remove the bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the engine mount out of the car. Remove the engine mount. Put the mount up into the car. Line it up. Install the middle bolt and get it started, 1 or 2 threads. With our center bolt started, we're going to go around and we're going to put the 3 14mm head bolts into the base of the engine mount, and we're going to get those started, just a few threads. Snug down the 3 bolts. We're going to torque the 3 base bolts for the engine mount to 44 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can. Install the middle bolt, push it all the way in, and get it started with just a few threads. Torque this bolt to 69 foot-pounds. Put your jack down and remove it from under the car.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.